Good morning, students. Welcome back on English Time with me, Sri Martiningsih. In this speaking lesson, we are going to study about discussion text. Have you ever participated on group discussion or debate competition? In group discussion or debate competition, we are hope to express our arguments, opinion about something. We know that the purpose of discussion text is to present an argument, opinion, and information from different point of view, or to present at least two point of view about an issue or a controversial topic. So in this time, I will use debate in speaking class today. Debate is a process that involves a formal discussion on a particular topic. Debate consists of two teams, pro teams and con teams. Pro teams provide arguments to support or agree to the issue, but cons provide the arguments against or disagree to the stated issue. We can prepare a simple topic that the students are familiar with that. For example, pro and cons of giving homework to the students. Now let's see the following are debate structure that you can use. First, opening statement or first state. In this session, first speaker affirmative is presenting a topic from affirmative point of view and explaining each member's role and content. Then, first speaker negative is explaining the negative ideas and criticizing affirmative ideas speaker point of view. Second, on the second stage, second affirmative is elaborating, supporting the case with evidence and criticizing first speaker negative. Tries to convince audience to believe the affirmative case. Then, the second speaker negative is presenting main idea briefly, elaborating and supporting with the evidence, criticizing second speaker affirmative, and trying to convince audience to believe the negative case. Third, in this session, third speaker affirmative is criticizing point made by second speaker negative and trying to convince audience affirmative reasoning is right. Then he or she conclude and summarize the case. After that, third speaker negative is criticizing point made by second speaker affirmative and trying to convince the audience negative reasoning is right. Then he or she conclude and summarize the case. The last stage is concluding statement. Here, as a teacher, is judging the winner based on the effectiveness of opening and closing, development of team, change of thought, content, methodology, and manner of each speaker. This is the chart of debate. The following are some expressions that we can use in debate or group discussion. First, asking for and giving opinion. For example, what do you think of? Do you think? What is your opinion? When you say giving opinion, for example, I think, person personally, I think, in my opinion. And then expressing our agreement and disagreement. For example, agreement. I agree. I agree with you. I totally agree. Disagreement. I disagree with. I don't agree. Interrupting. For example, sorry, interrupt, but can I add something here? Excuse me, pardon me, but the response is sure, go ahead. It depends on what it is. Yes. Okay, student, let's review the lesson today. First, discussion text is a text to present arguments and information from differing point of view, or to present at least two point of view about an issue or controversial topic. In speaking class, we can use debate skill. The process is like this. And then the third one, we use some expression such as asking for and giving opinion, expressing agreement and disagreement, and interrupting. Okay, student, that's all our lesson today about discussion text. I hope it will improve your speaking in English. Goodbye and see you on the next